Tired of AI presentation tools making you start from scratch? What if there was a way to keep your existing files and just add AI where needed? Introducing LLeMental, the AI presentation builder that works with your templates, not against them. Let me show you how it works. First, head to platform.LLemental.com to get started. LLeMental works by converting frequently used files into AI-powered templates. Simply upload your existing PowerPoint or Word document, whether it's a marketing proposal, sales deck, or any branded presentation. Next, we'll configure the template by identifying the dynamic and static sections. This is the key step where you can define what changes and what remains the same. The interactive interface walks through each slide where users simply highlight the areas that will be adjusted for each presentation. After making a selection, a prompt box appears where we can provide specific instructions, as is prompting ChatGPT. On the next slide, we only want to configure the descriptive sections for analysis and solution, keeping the headers unchanged. Our prompt will limit the generated content length, but could also format it into a bulleted or numbered list. Let's look at one more slide. In this example, we want to identify 3 goals for a marketing campaign. To get the most out of LLeMental, we recommend trying different prompt instructions until you find the perfect match. Once configured, your AI-powered template is saved to your library forever. You'll never need to set it up again. Just visit your library and select Generate to create new presentations instantly. LLeMental can analyze multiple data sources simultaneously, upload meeting notes, PDF reports, data and charts, even website URLs. The AI processes all of this information to understand your specific needs and contexts. Download your completed presentation with all the AI-generated content seamlessly integrated into your original template design. LLeMental maintains your exact template structure and branding while intelligently populating the highlighted sections. Stop wasting hours recreating presentations from scratch. With LLeMental, you can turn your repetitive documents into intelligent templates that work for you. Try LLeMental free today at platform.LLemental.com.